This is ripe mashed plantain, very ripe, so I mashed it together. I want to make oatmeal and plantain muffins. So I add 1 cup of oatmeal and mix everything together. Then I'll add ½ cup of wheat flour. You can use wheat flour or you can use plain flour. So now I add the flour into it, and I'm going to add 2 eggs into the flour and the plantain mixture. This muffin is good for breakfast. You can use it for breakfast. You can use it as snacks during lunch hour because it's very healthy. So you mix everything together. After mixing, you just add your sugar. A tablespoon of sugar is optional. Either you make it because the plantain is already ripe. So I add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to mix everything together and add ½ cup of oil or butter. So I'm adding 1 cup of milk. I'm mixing everything together. You can either use butter or you can either use vegetable oil. So I'm mixing all together now. Make sure they are well mixed. Mix them properly, and I'm going to add vanilla. You can use cinnamon, but I prefer to use vanilla. So after mixing, I scoop them into my baking pan. Then after putting in my baking pan, I'm going to put some chocolate chips on it. You can use crunchy nuts, you can use almond nuts, preferable your choice, but I'm using chocolate chips. So I've already set my oven for 350 degrees. I'm going to bake this cake for 15 minutes. So after putting all the chocolate chips on top of it, I'm going to put it in the oven to bake. So this is a beautiful breakfast muffin that you can use for oatmeal, you can use for tea, you can use it for coffee. So put it inside the oven for 15 minutes, and here you have your plantain and oatmeal muffin cake. So follow me for more. Subscribe, comment, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you all.